Imagine this. You open your phone, type a few words into ChatGPT, and suddenly you're speaking better English than ever before. No boring textbooks, no pressure, no confusing grammar rules, just you, your voice, and a smart learning partner who never gets tired, never judges, and is always available. Yes, today I'll show you how to learn English with ChatGPT step by step, so you can finally build real fluency, confidence, and natural speaking skills. Welcome, my friend. In this journey, English will no longer be something you study only for exams. It will become part of your daily life. And the best part? You can do it in a fun, simple, and stress-free way using ChatGPT as your personal graded reader, your speaking coach, and your guide to confidence. So let's begin with the most important question. Why ChatGPT? Because ChatGPT is not just a tool. It's like a private teacher who adapts to your level, your mistakes, and your goals. You don't need to feel shy. You can repeat the same question 10 times, and ChatGPT will patiently explain it again. That freedom is what makes it so powerful for learning English. If you're a beginner or intermediate learner, don't jump into complicated books. Start small. Ask ChatGPT to create a simple story at your level. Maybe a story about a traveler or a student or even about yourself. Read it out loud. Then ask for a vocabulary list. Practice those words in your own sentences. Read again. The more you repeat, the stronger your understanding becomes. And the more you connect those words to your daily life, the faster you'll remember them. Here's the truth. Many learners know grammar, but they freeze when it's time to talk. Their mind goes blank. But ChatGPT can fix that. Open the chat and type, "Pretend you are my English speaking partner. Ask me 5 questions about my day." Suddenly, you're having a real conversation. Don't worry about mistakes. They don't make you weak. They make you stronger. ChatGPT can correct you gently, give you the right sentences, and even explain why. This builds fluency, accuracy, and rhythm all at once. Textbooks can't prepare you for real situations, but role play can. Need English for travel? Ask, "Pretend you are an immigration officer at the airport." Need English for work? Say, "Pretend we are in a business meeting. Ask me about my project." Need English for social life? Tell ChatGPT, "Let's role play a conversation at a cafe." These role plays are more than practice. They are rehearsal for real life. The more you practice, the more natural you'll sound. One of the biggest barriers is translation. You hear something in English, your brain translates into your language, then you reply. It's slow, it's stressful, and it kills fluency. So stop translating. Ask ChatGPT, give me short daily questions, don't allow me to translate, correct me quickly if I'm wrong. Soon, your brain will respond directly in English. Imagine seeing a dog and instantly thinking dog instead of your native word. That's the moment fluency begins. Everyone makes mistakes. The difference between good learners and great learners is this. Good learners hide mistakes. Great learners fix them. Start a simple journal. Write 1 short paragraph about your day. Paste it in a ChatGPT. Ask, "Correct my grammar, show me the improved version, and explain my mistakes in simple English." This method is magic. Because the sentences are about you, they stick in your memory. And when you repeat it daily, your grammar transforms without the pain of memorizing rules. Don't waste time memorizing endless word lists. That's boring and useless if you never use the words. Instead, after reading a story, ask ChatGPT, "Give me 10 useful words from this text," and use them in daily life examples. Speak the sentences out loud. Then, ask ChatGPT, "Quiz me with these words. Make me answer questions using them." That's active learning. It forces your brain to use words in real situations, which is the only way to truly remember. Motivation is the fuel for learning. Without it, even the best system fails. So ask ChatGPT, create a 7-day English challenge for me. Each day, you'll have tasks: reading, speaking, listening, writing. And each day, you'll check your progress. Every time you complete a challenge, your confidence grows. Every small win builds momentum, and momentum leads to unstoppable progress. Fluency doesn't come from once-a-week practice. It comes from daily contact. Surround yourself in English, morning, afternoon, and night. Start your morning. ChatGPT, give me a motivational quote in English. Explain it simply. During lunch, chat with me for 5 minutes about today's news. Before bed, help me summarize my day in English. Correct my sentences. This way, English becomes part of your lifestyle, not just your study time. The best way to learn is to create. Write a blog, a post, or even a video script. Then ask ChatGPT, polish my writing, make it natural. When you publish or share your work, you feel proud. And when you use English to express yourself, your learning becomes permanent. At the end of the day, fluency is not about perfect grammar. It's about confidence. Confidence to speak, even with mistakes. Confidence to express yourself, even if you don't know every word. And confidence only comes from practice. Role-play interviews, travel conversations, meetings, or even casual chats. The more you practice, the less fear you'll feel. The final step is simple. Don't just learn English, live in English. 10 minutes a day with ChatGPT can change your life. 3 months of practice, and you'll feel the difference. 6 months, and you'll sound more natural. 1 year, and English will be part of who you are. So now, my friend, you know exactly how to learn English with ChatGPT through graded reading, daily conversations, role play, vocabulary building, correction, challenges, and lifestyle habits. Start today. Open ChatGPT, take one step, and watch your fluency grow. If this inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more powerful English learning tips, and share this with a friend who needs it. Together, we can build fluency, one step at a time.